Here's a David III loom that I have for sale. Oh, there's a dog back there. This had a really major upgrade. Heavier, it's a heavier wood, and it has the beater bar that is hinged like this, which I love. It also, oops, I dropped my, has a super easy tie-up system now. You actually just hook it onto those nails, those screws, I mean. You just hook these on there. And so you can see how that goes. That's really easy. Obviously, it's a super easy thing to push. I'm pushing it with one finger. I've been weaving on it. Love it, but I find I don't weave as much. Oops. And as I thought it would. It has the tie-ons, some warping rods, sticks. It has leash sticks. It has 3 stainless steel reeds, an 8, a 10, and a 12. Here they are right here, the other ones. All brand new. Let's see, what else? Want to see it in action? Oh, I got it for Christmas. I ordered it in 2021, Christmas. And then it took a while for it to be delivered, obviously, because there was a backlog. They were back ordered. All right, let me show it in action.